Hey y'all, welcome back to another SEO tool tutorial, and currently we are doing a series of videos about the free SEO tools that can be found on Ahrefs. So as you can see, I'm already on their website, and today we're working with the broken link checker, which is a tool that you can access when you scroll down to the footer of the page. Let's see where it is. It's over here. Under free SEO tools, you get the broken link checker. So once you click the link, you will be taken to this page where you can utilize this tool. But before we explore what this tool can do, let's first talk about what's a broken link. Why is it important to check a broken link? You see, a broken link happens for a number of reasons. For example, it's mostly because the destination page no longer exists or has been migrated. So these are usually the errors that you encounter where it says 404, site not found, or site cannot be accessed, things like that. So talking about why a broken link is bad for your business, mainly because it negatively impacts your SEO. That's the obvious one, that's the obvious reason, but also because it gives a bad impression to your audience. For example, they are trying to access your page and then they keep on ending up on broken sites. So they may feel like your website or business is unreliable because of this error. So it's really important to fix them right away. Having said all of those, let's now explore as we scroll down to see what information we can get from this tool. So this part mostly explains why, or I mean, what this tool can do. For example, this one. Later we will be checking how the tool works when we try it for ourselves. And then here, yeah, it's mostly just information on how you can expect the tool to work. See, you can even schedule the discovery of new broken links. This can be done once you access their dashboard. Once you sign in and access their dashboard, you can go to site audit and then schedule the checking of broken links. So as you can see, this is a very powerful tool and it provides a lot of features that is very useful for you when tracking your links. Um, Here, for example, what I mentioned earlier, for not found. So these are the links that you want to try to avoid because they negatively impact the reputation of your website. And as expected from Ahrefs, because they are one of the most popular SEO tools in the market, they are utilizing the largest live backlinks database in the industry. So you can be sure that the results are reliable and will really help you when finding broken links in your website or other websites linking to yours. Now that we have an idea of what to expect when using this tool, let's try it for ourselves. So, for example, I'm going to enter the domain of Serpwizz and then click here to check the broken links, toggle that, and you will be presented with the results right away. So yeah, I'm happy to see that we don't have much broken links. These two, it means broken links on your site. So broken links that are inside the domain of Serpwizz itself. So for this one, there are no broken links to your site. So these are the ones that are being redirected to our page, so coming from a different site altogether. So that's good to see that we don't have one. This too, for sure, we can improve this. So here you're given a list of the top 10 broken outbound links. Uh, and since we don't have much, we only have two, so there's just two showing up here. So just in case that you're unfamiliar with terms like this, you can always hover your mouse on these terms and you will be given an explanation of what they are. For example, here also, on the question marks so you get a better understanding of what they mean. And then, so that's your or URL rating. And then this one shows the number of internal links from the referring page. And then this one shows the number of external links from the referring page. And here you can see the anchor and backlink. So the anchor, yeah, it says cannot resolve host. So there must be, I mean, of course, there are problems with this site. That's why it has become broken. And then for this one, we don't have broken links redirected to our site, so it's showing nothing. But yeah, as you can see, it's a very helpful tool and will even tell you where exactly the broken links are so that you can fix them right away. And as I've mentioned earlier, if you want to scheduled backlink checker, that would be better so that you can be sure that there are no broken outbound and inbound links to your website. So that's it for this tool. Hopefully, you would try it for yourself so that maybe you have a website and you want to check the broken links of it. So definitely make use of this tool. It's on Ahrefs. And do please look forward to more of these tutorial videos that we are making. See you on the next one.